Dearly beloved, it's your host, Alistair, and before the picture show starts, I would like for you to click that subscribe button and to like the picture show for more entertainment.
Hey Sera, you ever think about Cain and Abel?
Your sons.
Yeah, I've been thinking about Cain lately. You know how he killed his own brother?
Yes. What Cain did was...
Fucking badass!
Excuse me?
He'd make an epic exorcist! If only I knew where he was, I'd recruit him.
Well, he's certainly not in heaven.
What?
Never mind.
Father! Hey, Father, it's me, Cain! Let me fight by your side!
Did you hear something?
Nah, just the wind.